So raise your hand if you've ever had to complete a training by watching a video and clicking on checkboxes. Right. Now, keep your hand raised if you remember details about that training. Yeah, most people won't. And that is because passive learning results in only a 5 to 10% retention rate after only 24 hours, where experiential learning, that number raises to 75%. So why should this matter? The corporate training market is a $360 billion market annually, but studies have shown that 90% of this is completely wasted because of ineffective training methods and a lack of retention. If you add to that the cost of non-compliance, turnover, and errors and lawsuits, we're now talking about a $2.5 trillion cost. This is a huge risk issue for organizations. So what can we do about it? This is the question that we asked about traditional training when it came to our two sons who are both on the autism spectrum. We started doing research to try to figure out how we could not only teach them skills, but help them to retain those skills. And that's when we discovered the power of experiential learning. So we founded Mastermind Adventures in 2016 and created these large-scale interactive events that were exciting and educational and most of all, unforgettable. Then when 2020 came, we had to pivot. And so we brought all of this online and learned that with the power of human-centered AI, we could now bring this same impact to anyone, anywhere. And that is how the Boobot educational platform was born. So Boobot approaches things completely differently. So instead of just watching videos and clicking through ABCs and putting on your mouse jiggler, we actually get you involved. We do interactive, immersive storytelling where the participant is a character in the scenario. We ask you to make choices. We ask you to make decisions. We ask you to collaborate with others. We use multi-character chatbots so that it feels like a real company that you're working in. This is much more like real life and just has a much better sticking power when it comes to education. Additionally, we use blockchain verified credentials so that achievements are stored online and can be used for compliance or just tracking achievements. We're showing an 81% engagement rate over our competitors, which have only a 5 to 15% engagement rate. We use a business-to-business SaaS model with annual licensing based on user volume. But these don't have to be cookie cutter. We can specialize and customize modules so it's the just right fit for your organization. In addition to this, we use data dashboards so both the facilitator and the participant can track their progress and know exactly where they're going. We have entered the market through strategic pilots, higher ed collaborations, and also grant-funded programming. Our focus right now is on B2B sales where compliance is high and engagement is low because we see a huge opportunity here to make an impact. This is our team. I'm Kristen Kalina, the co-founder and CEO of Mastermind Adventures, and I have over 15 years of experience creating these immersive scenario-based modules for companies. Jason Kalina, our CTO, has over 20 years of experience in software engineering, in ed tech, higher ed, and health tech as well. We're also joined by an amazing group of advisors, including compliance, ed tech, and an enterprise product strategy advisor. So if you are ready to stop using checkboxes and exposing your company to huge loss of money, we are here to help. We're seeking strategic partners, funders, and visionary organizations who are ready to change the future of learning with us. And if you'd like to see what our demo is like, you can scan this code and check it out. My partner is going to want me to say that it is optimized for desktop, but it will work on your phone. But we would love to work with you, and please get in touch. Thank you.